Tony from Analog Motorcycles. We started in 2008 in my home shop in Gurnee, Illinois. 2015 I moved into this location, and I've been here for a little over 5 years. About 6 months ago, my daughter was getting close to graduating high school. We decided to start looking at maybe relocating, and today is my last open house in our Illinois location before we are heading off to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So we started out as a custom motorcycle shop and quickly realized that just building custom motorcycles wasn't going to really be a viable business, at least not a living anyways. It's a viable business, but it's just not really a living. So we decided I came up with some ideas for some parts. The parts started to take off. I started to see the value in doing parts because people like them. So I would do a custom build. I'd try to come up with maybe a part or two on that custom build that I could maybe replicate. And then I started a network of, CNC guys, stamped steel guys, different manufacturers that I could kind of resource to kind of build a parts line to the point that it is now. And in 2000 I would say right when I went full time, we started to really focus on the parts, and then when I moved into here, I was able to kind of expand on that. And the day that we started to being able to go to a show, or I would take off, weekends, and we were still seeing money being made. We were still seeing sales coming through, even though we weren't working. It clicked that this is the way we have to do it. Like if I have to be working all the time, and that's the only way that I can make money, then I never get a break. And the parts line is something that I can design, develop, order batches of, sit down, build 100 of them, and then they'll make money for months to come. So with me being here or not, and that worked out really well for us. So it got us to the point where I was full time, we were making money, we owe nobody, there's no debt here, and now I'm moving to Tennessee with my shop on my property, and overhead's even lower, and just looking forward to a new change, new chapter. So you can come to our website at analogmotorcycles.com. We have all of our parts line there, as well as all the custom builds that we still do. I never stop building customs. Custom motorcycles is kind of my preference. It's also where I get my marketing. People kind of still see us, in the media eye when we're constantly doing, high-level builds that people are attracted to, and then they go to our website, check out the build, and maybe there's a part on there that they want to buy. So we're also on Facebook, we're also on Instagram, Twitter, Analog Motorcycles, Analog Motor Goods, all the social media accounts.